I feel awkward. We're gonna replace things. This carb. Boom, done. New carbs in the truck. End video.
So, we have to take this one out. We have the new one over there.
Alright guys, so here's the tools you're gonna need for this. 2 hands. Sorry, one-handed guys.
Yeah, so anyways.
Too far!
We, well, he did it. He actually took the bed of the truck out because he had to replace some stuff here. He's gonna replace the fuel filter and also this thing right here. We're gonna get this welded on because it's completely broken and not very safe. Yeah, exactly. That's why it's not safe. And the other thing we have to do is the brake lines. We gotta fix those. Can you stop ruining my video, please?
I burped.
And what else? Yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, we also have to fix the exhaust because it's leaking pretty bad. If I can show you here. There you go. There's a leak. And there's another one. A very big one. So yeah, we'll get started. We'll do sort of a... What do we do? Like a... Yeah, time lapse. That's what it is. Yes. Hopefully you enjoy the time lapse. Hopefully it's not boring. So we'll get the tripod and set it up so you can watch us do stuff.
Here we go.
Keep fucking too.
Ow! Brick! I forgot there's corners there. Dang it.
Oh my god, it's pissing so much freaking fuel.
Dude, look at all the junk that was in there.
Give me a second.
Like, that's a jet. I think that's supposed to be a jet. And it's just filled. Look at the back of this.
Yeah, that's not good. That's out.
I need this.
Happy? You happy? Are you
Yeah.
happy? Okay.
Somewhat.
Can you stop playing with it?
I need this.
Oh, you need a stud? Okay. Now this bad boy's coming in. Whew, a lot nicer. Let's see the intake, actually. It's not that dirty. It's okay.
Oh, it's not dirty at all, dude. Look all brick.
It's decent.
That ain't bad.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are pointless, as far as I can tell.
My life is pointless.
Oh, God. Need to clean this gasket up a bit.
Okay. So yeah, we'll do that, and then we'll...
I think I'm gonna have to remove that, because this carb...
God damn, I'm gonna go over here because there's so much wind. So yeah, we'll be back. The carburetor will be already in the car because we don't want to show you that. This is not a tutorial. This is just
us being ridiculous.
Yeah. So we'll see you here in a second.
Yeah, dang, this got really brittle when I started spraying it. Oh well,
Just keep spraying it then.
Make sure it's torqued.
So this is the old one. This is the new one. This one has a different plug. So what we're doing is we're using the old one, which was a $50 upgrade. But instead of, buying it pre-soldered and everything, we're just doing it ourselves, so. Well, now we're going to freaking, I don't know, O'Reilly's or something, get some flux.
We're going to Lowe's.
Oh, yeah.
Done. 1.6 liter power!
Oh my god.
Dude, she goes.
Quick trip!
Flux. Hey, don't put your hand near it. Time to stop. Dude, feel the wind coming off that. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
That thing's fucking...
Okay, do one more time.
No. Winding like crazy. Oh.
Alright, we're back. I don't know where we left off last time.
I'm tired.
But we have to finish this carburetor, and what I did, I just made my friend after.
I just choked.
That's what she said. Are you fucking... Oh my god. Alright, so we left off with the carburetor off. We cleaned the gaskets, and we also soldered the connector. So now we're going to install that back in the car, And once we're done with that, dude, that's actually not a good idea. Sugar can fuck up your engine.
It's Coke Zero. It's Coke Zero sugar.
Oh my god. Okay. So yeah, we'll get started on this. We won't show you very much, and we could try to start it inside, but it'll be kind of sketch. Oh man, look, it's the next day because we didn't want to finish in the morning. I mean at night. But we have the carburetor in there, and it's looking real good. Okay. This is gonna be fun.
We have to.
Oh yeah. That sounds good.
Oh wait, I just realized the gas pedal does nothing.
That sounds way better than before, dude.
Yeah, it does.
And it actually revs up. Look. It actually revs up.
Without sounding like it's dying.
Yeah.
Plus the. Oh shoot! Shut it down.
Yeah.
I didn't adjust the mixture at all. That was like as lean as it could be.
All right. We're back. Yeah. So bring it over here. Oh yeah. Well. So remember the issue we talked about, the throttle? Well, we actually went ahead and went to Lowe's and got a whole new set of cable. It's about 10 feet long, and we bought a couple of, what are they called? What are those things called?
Clamps?
Yeah, I can.
There we go.
So it's in. All right. This is the moment of truth.
Ready?
Yeah, it works now. Carburetor, everything works. So.
Except for the amount of gas.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. Take the e-brake off. There we go, move! Heck yeah, it moves now! Oh god, it stinks though. Jesus.
Hop in. Hop in.
Let me hop in.
Watch the screws on the floor.
Yeah. Oh my god, dude, this thing actually works!
I can control it, dude. No freaking way. Yeah, you gotta just smash the brakes to get them to work.
Yeah.
Dude, this actually drives really nice.
Dude, stop.
I just did a burnout.
Dude, stop.
I know, I'm just turning around. Dude, no freaking way.
Let's take it up just the street.
No.
Let's take it up just
Cops.
the street over here.
We'll turn around right there.
Test third gear if it works. Put in second.
Means first.
Oh my god. Right over here, just.
Can I make it?
Oh my god, this thing works. Let me get out and let's take a look.
Alright, quick.
Alright.
Because I'm gonna reverse back down the street and then go home.
Okay.
I'm going straight home.
Oh. It works!
It works really, really well.
Yeah. Finally, it works. This thing actually works. Right. This thing is awesome, dude. I love it so much. Oh my god, dude, this thing is awesome.
Did it burn out?
It burned out.
No way.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was awesome.
Dude. It fucking works. Hey, you should show him, Jared. You show Jared, dude. Fucking works, dude. Fucking heck yeah, dude.
Yes!
I finally fixed it.
Ooh,
Alright, guys.
happy.
Well, this is it for this video.
I'm gonna take Jared for a ride.
Yeah. It'll be, next video we'll start fixing up the car a little more. We're gonna fix all this rust back here.
Dude, Jared,
And then we'll be done. So we'll take it for another ride. We'll see you next time, guys.